human being, particularly if you have other commitments to a wife and kids, and how many nights can you justify watching games?
So that's another big thing I meant. Is it down because it's competing with the NFL? Competing, it's not on, they held the game one of the finals until after Monday Night Football, after presidential debate, and they had the night to themselves, and they still tanked. So is that just, going into the same season? Murray, I'll get your thought in a second. Is that just going into the same season as football? And that political thing, Naz, I always have a hard time. Like, so the Proud Boys were watching the NBA Finals before, and now they're not? And that's what the number is? Like, okay. I mean, I don't know. You tell me. But those are the basketball items on our board. Give us your thoughts on them, and we'll get to your calls right after this.
Felger and Max on 98.5 The Sports Hub. And streaming anywhere you go on the Sports Hub app.
Hey, it's Max from Omaha Steaks. Before you do anything else, let me tell you, do this right now. Pull out your phone, go to omahasteaks.com.
Protection.
Get on the detail.
We in a billion. From risking lives by going campaigning door to door, is launching door-to-door campaigning. Because I read Silver, I read Charlie Cook, I read it all. Biden is running away with it. He's running away with Pennsylvania. He's running away with Michigan. He is running away with Nevada. He is running away with New Hampshire. He is running away with Wisconsin. He is running away with Michigan. He is running away with everything. So why is he sending ground troops? Why would plugs risk all of these people's lives that he has been protecting all of these months? Why would he risk these people's lives in states he's clearly running away with? Can somebody explain this to me? Because, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't make any sense. Biden's going to get the election won. The polls say so. Nate Silver says so. The Drudge Report has stories up there that say so. The betting markets say so. It's over. Trump's making everybody mad. Everybody hates Trump. Trump's a white supremacist. He won't denounce white supremacy. Trump's a reprobate. Trump is mean. He wouldn't let poor Joe speak at the debate. So much so that we got to cut Trump's microphone off at the next debate. In fact, we got to cancel the next two debates. Biden's winning them so bad, we got to cancel them. That's right.